Meaning of golem.
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 Golem. The word golem has its origins in Jewish folklore and refers to a creature that is created from inanimate matter and animated through magical means. The most famous golem story comes from Prague, where a rabbi created a golem out of clay to protect the Jewish community from harm. The golem was said to be incredibly strong and could carry out tasks that were beyond human capabilities. However, the golem's lack of intelligence made it difficult to control, and it ultimately brought about its creator's downfall. In popular culture, the term golem is often used to refer to any humanoid figure that is artificially created or programmed.